Hey, what up YouTube? Hey, so I found myself trying to replace my air filters for my car. I drive a 2013 Mercedes Benz Bluetec, and when I first came out here I ordered these filters from Rock Auto Parts. But I came out here and I noticed that it was 2 filters for this car. Check out my engine bay. If your engine bay looks like this video's for you. So I'll make this video and I'll walk you guys through how it's supposed to be done. Yeah. Step 1, you gotta remove your cover. Just pop it off, grab the sides, pop it off. You gotta unclip this right here. That's not hard, it's just on the sides. You just raise it up like this, pops right off. Bam, your cover's off. This is one of your intake boxes, and this is another one of your intake boxes. For this one over here, you'll have to unplug this sensor. It's not that big of a deal. You push this back out like this and unplug it, just like that, and you set it to the side. And you can take this cover off right here to make it easier. You could buy the right tool for this, which is I went ahead and used a 5/16 socket. So what you'll have to do is take off 2 screws that are at the top. Showed you right here up front, and one is back here, right there. What you do is take those off. Here's one. That's one screw. Just put it anywhere. And screw number 2. Bam. Just like that. You're gonna have to loosen this band off so you can take the intake sleeve off over here. And there's gonna be another sleeve down there that you're gonna have to pop off. The one down there doesn't have a band on mine. It might have a band on yours, but typically you could shove your hands down here or even further up here and just pop it off. I just popped it off right now here. So let's loosen this just enough to give us the play we need. Seems about right. So yeah, that'll come right off. You can see that. So now you can see that your air box is completely loose. What you have to do now is pry it this way and pull up. It'll be kind of hard because it has 2 nubs at the bottom that are holding it in place. You have to pop them off. Just like that. See? Pull it right out. This is your air box here. This is where your filter is. For these 4 screws over here, you're gonna use T25. So the torque's 25. Stay in place. They'll come out. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. And you take this cover off. Just like that. And look at that. I just replaced my filters not too long ago. So I'm making this video because it's kind of tricky for me to figure out how it was done. But this, look at that. It's already collecting some dirt. That's what I ordered. It comes with 2. Put your new filter back in there. These are the nubs I was telling you about. These nubs will eventually, well, basically they get stuck in these little grooves over here, so that holds that in place. That's why you have to pry at it so much to pull it out. Of course, you want to do this with a cool engine. If you're really picky, you can most definitely look into the manual, and it'll give you some torque specs, probably pounds per inch or something like that. Honestly, I can care less about that. As long as it makes a good seal, I can't take this off, and I know these are not gonna walk back. So that's it for me. I'm happy to go ahead and reassemble this. I gotta put these nubs in these holes over here. You'll see the holes when you take it off. Get it in there, just like that. Man, see that? I just popped it in. It's a little hard to align it. Put this bottom sleeve on just so I don't forget it later. Put this where it's gonna end up. Pull it this way. Pull this whole assembly this way. There you go. I got this hole lined up. Put my in a little bit. My rear hole should be lined up. It is very hot. By the way, all this is super hot. I turned it off for like 2 minutes. Yeah, my rear hole is lined up. So I'll go ahead and throw this in there. There it is. Take my bit. I'll walk it in a little bit. Bam. And you don't want to come in with your little impact driver like this one and start hitting it right off the bat. Because if you cross thread, then this thing is gonna mess up your threads, and then you got a big problem on your hands. Then you gotta rethread that. This is burning in your room there. You don't want to do that to yourself. And to replace this side, you'll do the same thing, except you'll have to take the sensor off, and everything else is the same. So good luck. That's it for me. I'm Mike. I forgot to put everything back together. So here we go. Put this back pretty easy, huh? Look at that. Everything just kind of falls in place with this. Pretty damn easy. Your engine cover. Place it where you believe the nubs are. Might as well lock this in. And I'm pretty sure I'm at my nub. This is lined up. Lock these nubs in. There you go. Okay, now you're done. Alright, good luck, y'all.